Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell Shiba Inu coin in Zebpay. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And so to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to sell Shiba Inu coin in Zebpay. After that, you can see right here the different options. But what we're going to do is to scroll down and then select this option. After that, we can see right here the step-by-step process on how we can buy and sell crypto instantly. So to do that, what we're going to do is to first register, and then we need to deposit, and in that way we can start on trading. So now just scroll down at the bottom and you can see right here, start trading now, and then sign up. So that's it. If you have question or suggestion regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section.